Everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to put your baby on sleep in this game. So first of all, you have to uh, go to this form and just get the house to be load. Once you are teleported to the house, you have to enter the house. So to open the door, you have to press E to open the door. Now go up step and open this room. This room is for the baby. So to open, you have to press E to get open this door. Now you have to go to baby's bed. So this is a baby's head bed. Now you have to press E to click your baby and click on baby. And now your baby will be sleep here. And the Z icon will be appear on baby's head once the baby are sleeping. As you can see, the Z are appearing on baby's head. Fine, so that's how you can make your baby sleep. And you have to enter this room to get your baby sleep. So yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching.